Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to upgrade Calendly account. Calendly is a paid subscription-based online platform. When you upgrade your Calendly account, you'll get features according to the specific paid plan. To upgrade Calendly account, you need to first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now, go to your search bar and type in www.calendly.com, then press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Calendly. Now, to upgrade your account, you need to first log into your Calendly account. For this, click on login option on the top. Then you'll be directed to the login page. Now here you need to first enter the email address that you have used to create your Calendly account on the given box on the left side. After this, click on login option. Then you'll be directed to another page. Now here you need to enter the correct password of your Calendly account on the given box. After this, click on continue option. With this, you'll be logged into your Calendly account. Now, here you can see your event types page. On the top right corner, you can see your profile. Click on your profile. Then here you can see upgrade option under your profile name. Click on upgrade. Then here you can see choose a plan that fits. Now here you can choose a plan according to the year basis or monthly basis. I am going on with bill yearly. After this, you can scroll down. Then here you can see different categories of plans and features that you can have according to the plans that you select. After this, now on the top you can choose a plan that fits according to your interest. I am going on with the standard plan that is of $10 per seat per month on the yearly basis. Now click on select option down the plan that you want to choose. After this, now here you need to first select the number of seats for your subscription. You can click on plus sign to increase the number of seat or minus sign to decrease the number of seat. After this, here you need to choose your billing cycle, whether you want on monthly basis or yearly basis. I am going on with yearly basis. Then you need to enter your payment method. For this, here you can see only credit card option is available. So you need to first enter your credit card number on the given box. After this, you need to enter your expiration date. Then you need to enter your CVC. After this, now here if you want, you can click on save with link box so that your option can be saved with the link. Now here you can see your order summary on the right side. You can see the number of seat that you are planning to buy. After this, you can also see total due amount. And then now here you can click on purchase option after you look for all the information. After this, you'll be able to make your purchase of the subscription that you have selected. With this, now your Calendly account will be upgraded and you'll receive a notification regarding your upgrade. This is how we can upgrade Calendly account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.